You're now watching Rips.
We'll call it 90,000 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. There's that 35 tag as promised.
You're likely going to be a lot better than you were last year, as long as you take it seriously.
And Rips shows the Jack 8.
Cash is flowing to Rips.
Look at that, just getting absolute.
And it's Rips winning one of the biggest pots of the session.
Wow. $250,000 on the week, baby. Let's go. There's nothing that makes me happier than when I see you folks win. Can it hold this push lower below 80s? This would be a big break if we can hold this push. $6,000 on the day in our Lucid Pro account. This is your entry. This is your ad. This is your takeout. Boom. Right there. Good morning, everybody, and happy Wednesday. If you're here with me in the YouTube, Kick, or X chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us on this beautiful Wednesday. Oh my God, the market has a huge freaking. What is that? The hell is going on in this market? Just a straight. Let's see who's with us this morning. Oh my goodness, Bad at McGruv, Mo Cash, Patrick, Doug with a hat, LaValle, JJ, Carter in the building, Polly Punisher, Jay Diaz, Quicksand, Bully, Highway to Hell, Cam Dingo, UMax, Corgo. What up? What's cracking in? What's happening? You know, I haven't even checked how I'm doing in the Tradeify Cup. Let me see here. Hopefully my opponent is sucking dick. Let's see. Let's see. All right, let's see. Haven't even taken a trade yet. Show me. Wait, where's the... It's loading. What the fuck? The guy hasn't even traded. What a pussy. What a fucking pussy this guy is. Wow. What a vagina. Big Buddha says, we getting the new levels today, boss man? No. All right, fine. He's gonna take your trades? This guy's from Uzbekistan, I think. This is the country code UZ. Let me see. Country code UZ. Yeah, Uzbekistan. What time is it? Time in Uzbekistan. Let's see. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. This guy's chilling back with a little black tea, sipping on some black tea and smoking a hookah. You think he's tuned in right now? Probably. I mean, I would be if I was him. Seems like the right thing to do. You know? Wait, my next matchup is versus Spudnik? Maybe? Well, we'll see. I don't know. This fucking guy. What if he doesn't even place enough trades? You know what I mean? You never know, huh? Probably just wait for New York Open. How often? I know it updates 4 times, but do they say when it updates? When the thing updates? He's waiting for your levels. Yeah, it's kind of hacks. You know what I mean? It's kind of hacks. Kind of hacks, dude. I don't know how I feel about that. Maybe I don't give out the levels until the Grand Cup's over, huh? What do you guys think? Just no more levels until the Grand Cup is all done? You know? You never know. That's so mean. Why would you do that? Alright, let me see here. Alright. We are pushing up here. What a sick little bounce there from that double Botskis. Oh, all right, enjoy. You hellions. Wait. Those are the wrong ones. Whoops. Oopsie. You guys want the updated ones, I see. There you go. Wait. Wait. All right, there we go, for real. You guys are funny. Anyone use TPT experiencing any issues? I don't know, not me. Anybody having any issues with TPT? Nope. Okay, there's your answer. The answer is nope. Nobody's having issues with TPT. 400 drawdown left on Apex account. Should I just gamble the New York Open? I mean, that's not why you gotta ask if you already know the answer. You know what I mean? You're gonna know the answer to that one, my friend. Nobody knows what your financial situation is. So we are back to TPT being 30% off. I bet you wish you would have taken advantage of that sale. You know? Everybody thinks these sales are going to last forever. They don't. All right, let me just fix some here. There we go. Yep, 30% off on TPT now. Oops, I used your code alpha for 50K premium. There's no activation on that, right? No consistency once funded. For premium, I never trade on the premium ones, so I don't know. Let me see. Premiums are not really my speed. I'm more of the advanced guy. Let me see. They need to add the FAQ to the sidebar. I don't know why they don't. It's annoying as shit. Oh yeah, when you're buying the premium, there's an option whether or not you want to do activation fee or not. That's what it is. That's what it is. If we do advance 50K account on Alpha, we put code RIPS. What else would you put? Huh? Is that a real question? The fuck else would you put? Literally no other code to put. No idea what the hell else you'd put. I'm kind of tilted that the person that I'm fighting in the Grand Cup hasn't traded at all. It's kind of tilting. What a little pussy. Rips, in your new levels, there's a duplicate ES level? Ah, I see. You're right. Well, I don't know why that repeated, but I guess you get one extra one now. ADP jobs are out. Nobody really cares. Rips, the guy you're trading against could be holding a long from open, only shows realized, right? I think that's true, actually. Yeah, I actually thought about doing a long from open, but then I was like, I don't really want to be distracted. So, I didn't. Bruce, there is a large divergence with NQ and ES. What is your thought process on which one will move towards the other? It's just dependent on the stocks that are in the indices. Just depends. What's causing the divergence, you know? What's your thought process when the NQ is the only one that is at all-time highs compared to the rest of the market? It's the components of the NASDAQ. That's all it has to do with. S&Ps are getting schmokied right now. Kind of want to... What do we have at 8:30 here? Nothing. Dude, we have nothing at the bottom of the hour. Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index today at 10, and that's, oh man. So we really have nothing until 10 o'clock now, so... Meta and Nvidia are kind of getting smoked right now. I wonder if we can break below this triple bottom here. Wouldn't mind taking this in my alphas. See if we get a little bounce here at 50s. All right, little bounce here at 50s. See if they have enough slam to bring this thing down some more. Trying this short here in Alpha Futures. – want to see this hold below 50s and not bounce. Holy shit, like that. Whee! Ah, that was fun. Yeah, that one's not gonna work. That's funny. Well, thankfully that was in the Grand Cup account. There's some silver lining. Back to square one with my advanced evals. Yeah, 2 points from TP. Sounds about right. That thing was, Iranian state media said something. What did they say? They have a draft of the initial unofficial framework for the MOU with the US. Bing bong. Man, they are squeezing the shit out of this. We're above 300 here. Maybe we can get a pullback. Tag 314 there. Pretty much on the nose. Man, that was fucking hilarious. I was just settling into a nice little short there. Too bad I didn't see anything that was like cueing me into longs. Yeah, I thought we would have pulled back to at least like the previous 4-hour high. Pulling back here to 300. I mean, that was quite the pump, huh? Quite the pump skis. Yeah, let's try this. For breakout highs. They're going to restore the Strait of Hormuz number of ships to pre-war levels within 1 month. Push! Nice. Hopefully my opponent is not long in this market. That's all I can hope for, right? Looking for 76, really. It'd be lovely, but they're starting to pile on here towards 64. I wonder how much they can hold back here on this, because that is really positive news for the markets. Now we get a headline that says, just kidding. It was a goof. Joking. Big jokes here. Nice up skis here. I want to get into a funded account, but here, I'll take that off. That's fine for the Grand Cup for now. I want to get into a funded account here and trade this on something that matters. All right, 76. We did just tap our level there. See if we pull back to 62 and all. Nice squeeze. There's that 76. This thing is squeezing like you wouldn't believe. Oh, market makers are violating us again. Tap 76 and pulls right back. If blah, 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 60 days, it will be approved. Something, straight up moves, ships, good stuff. Go long. Oh, fuck. Why couldn't we have just been like a little bit late to the stream today? God damn it. Yeah. Hey, there we go. There's what I was looking for. Framework is not yet finalized. There's your negative part of the news. That's what I was looking for. The negative Nancy part. These fucking market makers, I'm just sick and tired of them violating us. They go right to our level and they're like, oh, shit, did you get the updated RIPS levels? No, I didn't. Okay, well, that's our highest level then. It's funny as fuck. Can we pull back to 314? That would be lovely. It doesn't look like they want to yet. They're holding rate at 20s. Just a little bit more. We can go for this. For the Lucid Flex 50K, how much can you scale that account up to? Max payout, baby. Get that thing to max payout. You know what I mean? Get that thing to max payout, baby. Okay, going long. I want to see it up and over 30s. We had to pull back around 14 there. I need to see this thing up and over those 30s. Up and over. Let's go. Brr. Give me the brr. Brr. Give me the brr. Yes. A little bit more. Keep going. Give me the brr. We need to get over 65 3/4 in the S&Ps. If we can get over that, we're going to start going hog wild, baby. These are my funded seed accounts. I got 3 of these bad doggers. Up and over, up and over, up and over. 65 3/4 is the line in the sand for us here. A lot of fight. A lot of fight here. A lot of fight. See if this market has some dog in them. $65 3/4, big line in the sand here in the S&Ps. Not like this. Market makers still violating us using our levels without our consent. Yeah, they're getting a little bit weak here, a little bit soft. A little bit soft here. Oh, very soft. See if we can hold this 14 level now. 65 3/4 would not break to the upside. So, hefty violation here. Got to hold 14 3/4 to the downside and then potentially retry that 65 3/4 to the upside. That's what I'm looking for here. Got to hold that 14 to the downside. Why not show the ES chart as well? How would you like me to do that? How exactly would you like me to do that? Played with Martin yesterday. Up and over, boys, up and over. Let's go. Up and over. Get her done. Up and over here. This is the one. This is where you come alive, boys. Up and over. Yes, just like that. Through the 50s now. Let's go. Send it all the way home. We keep on coming to key levels and rejecting. I need to see us trading 76 again. That's what I really want to see. That would really make my day, to be honest. That 76. We're again dealing with 65 3/4. That's the line in the sand for us here. They're really making this annoying. Yep, new lovers are out on Instagram. For you, for free. Imagine that. Walk it up, boys. Let's go. Just got to get through those 50s with a little bit of strength here. Right there. How about a little bit of a push? Just like that. Just believe in yourselves. You can do it. There's nobody in the way. Don't let your memes be dreams. Just push. Get out and just do it. No scheduled data at the bottom of the hour here. In 10 seconds, we should get a batch of liquidity coming in here. I would assume that we're going to see this start to rip the doors off since there's not much liquidity in the way of upside. We're running out of a little bit of steam here from these buyers. But there's really not that much holding back a good old-fashioned squeeze. I can see some violent sellers starting to approach this tape, but I don't know if they're going to have enough violence to hold it back, though. Boy, they are trying to bust this thing open right now. There we go. Just believe, baby, believe. There's very spotty liquidity to the upside, so we can start to really rip the doors off of that thing. Ba-da-da-da. And they're refreshing liquidity again to the downside. So the previous day open is where we're kind of rejecting right now. See if they get enough buyers lifting these 50s now. The more we dance at those 50s, the better this tape looks. Another approach toward these 50s likely coming. 65 3/4 is still that same exact line in the sand here. These pullbacks are pretty soft, so the moment we find like an aggressive buyer, they should start to gap up this these offers that are showing. So we'll see. Still running it down slightly here. They're attempting to reclaim this downside. We have room down to 54 here as well. If they could maintain this above 300, we'll probably see some buyers stepping back in here. There's just not a lot of offers that are stepping in the way of somebody getting aggressive to the top side here. Very thin on the offer side. There's your walk back above 30. They're getting pretty tight here on the spread now. So let's see how they work this around. Okay, back to 14. Holding above 60 too. Hopefully this is not the same thing as yesterday where it's just slowly drifting down, and then we don't have enough drawdown to hit the final pop. So we'll see. We're back at the 1 hour mid here. S&Ps are holding at 60s. Need to reclaim 14s here in the NAS. There we go. SJD Rising says flip it short. I'm good on that, man. Right when you said it too. I'm good on that. But hey, man, you do you. You do you, man. I'm sure it's working out great. I'm sure that plan is working out perfectly for you. Where are the big buyers at? We found them. They're right there. We found them. We just have to get through these players that are at like 40s and 50s. Trust me, they want to unload. There's people who are stuck right now for sure, especially with this squeeze. As long as we can maintain some of this trajectory. That's all we really need. Just maintain that trajectory, baby. What do I need? 6. Yeah. Yeah, if we can start lifting again into these 50s, it's going to get a lot of these folks into trouble. There's a player in the S&Ps who's begging to get filled, so we just need the volume to step in and fill that player. Once they're out of the way, then it's curtains pretty much. Let's see what they're doing. They're dancing around right now. Just dancing. See if they get filled here. Somebody's front running them. They're not real. They're faking. They're fucking around. Are they gonna move again? Let's see. Microsoft is at the VWAP right now. It's starting to break out. Just need that clean breakthrough. Need this player to get filled in the S&Ps too. They're annoying. They're getting in the way of our party. Just get them out of the way. Not even that much. Oh, let's see. Oh. They moved now. If we can break out of the Microsoft, break above the VWAP there, this thing will go higher. Contingent upon that. 20 minutes till the top of the hour, we'll get some more movement as well. Right now, they're just kind of playing some games here. I already hit $800 profit in the Grand Cup account. Nvidia is slightly pulling back as well. We just need to break out of 76 to the top side here. If we can break out of 76, this thing will be ripping. That really is it. 76, big line in the sand. 76 and 65 3/4 in the S&Ps. That's what I'm watching for. Is the Grand Cup 1 mini or can you add? 1 mini. 1 mini. If you go over that, somehow they will breach your account. It will breach your account. Continually doing the same thing where it's just like very, very slow selling. And then these massive buying sweeps. So just trying to be patient here. Outlast these sellers that are not showing aggression yet. They're just very slow selling. Bleeding. Slow bleed. We're waiting on U.S. commentary for the report still, so that should be interesting. 2 contracts there on that. Yeah, it looks like there's still some players that are completely stuck short here. So once we can sort through this upside liquidity, it's likely to pop. Just a matter of when, not if. They're giving nice offers right now, too. $14.75 coming down to that level again. They have an open offer of 18. I want to see if they sweep that with strength. Couple icebergs in the way here. Feels like it's a TWAP sell too, which is why it's so orderly. Can we withstand it? Back to the 1 hour mid. Some aggression coming here, some stops getting popped. See if it curls back above 14 here. Bit of a lift, but we need more than that. I mean, all this overhead pressure is going to get popped sooner or later. Just looks like straight TWAP selling into little stop losses. They're holding above 55 in the S&Ps as well. Can we withstand this? Let's see. Nope. I thought we had 3,000 worth of drawdown. Guess not. Well, that's a bummer. Let me see one thing here. There we go. He's activated. I still like the longs here. Let's do... Perfect. Every 10 points I'm adding. Shiv FX, who's your opponent in the Grand Cup? Heinrich Kemmler. Interesting. Never heard of that fella. Yeah, the moment this TWAP selling stops, it's gonna go fucking crazy. This is the most orderly sell-off you've ever seen in your life, by the way. See how much more they want to keep that pressure on. Starting to get a little bit violent here. The back and forth. Definitely seeing some more violence coming in. Something about tariffs on Taiwan. Not sure what that's about. Is the price displayed are on real time or delayed? We keep it delayed so that way I can see the price before you do. That way I can kind of tell you before it happens, sort of like seeing into the future. But we keep it delayed every time. The delay is about 65 minutes. It just depends though. If you're connected through YouTube and you're using the flux capacitor add-on, it will delay it by 38 minutes and 43 seconds. But if you do have YouTube Premium, it adds another 64 seconds to the delay. So it just depends. What are you using to connect right now? Can I get into a long now? I'll allow it. I think that's fair. Dude, I want to get the tarot cards in the mix. I'm just trying to see if we can get this curling back up now. You're going 88 miles per hour. Oh, okay, that's fair. That's fair. There is so much momentum in this market right now. It's so exciting. It is blowing my fucking hair back. This is ridiculous. Just hurry up already. Fuck. We know what you're gonna do. Just fucking do it. I like how Ripsmod has to put in a sarcasm disclaimer, as if people are retarded. Oh, refreshing liquidity. Let's see what they're gonna do this time. Still TWAP selling? Is that what you guys have on the docket? More TWAP selling? Sounds fun. Let's do more of that. Let's do more TWAP selling, guys. They're fighting for air right now. The last pop we had was up into 85, so they're fighting for air again. They're probably going to sweep that 60 player first. Fucking forever. Redbug retail sales are out. Nobody cares. They're for sure going to bury their hog in this 60 player. For sure. Because they're not. There's like nobody is participating. There's these fucking pussies TWAP selling. Get on with it. I mean, it's not even that many points. They still won't sweep that 60 player. It's just holding right here above that 60 player. And I feel like they need to do that business before we bounce. No, I don't like that. Huge fucking iceberg there at 70s. Fucking annoying. Get out of the way. What a dick. Maybe Baron knows that they're going to just announce like the whole Iranian thing was bullshit and we'll drop like 6,000 points straight down. I don't know why they're so aggressive on the icebergs. It's ridiculous. Dude, can we have some music that's not fucking putting me to sleep, by the way? Jesus Christ. Oh, they moved that player at 60s now, Tim. So fucking annoying. Why would you ban that person, Rip Swan? Don't ban them. It's funny seeing their progression. I don't have time for retards. I mean, just, bless their hearts and all that. How do you spot icebergs? You can either use the MBO add-on or you can view them manually. Zelensky warning U.S. air defense something. Eh? So this is what we've been doing. Dude, look at the most orderly sell-off possible. Fucking annoying. Well, they haven't confirmed it yet, but I would assume that that's probably what they're gonna do. With funded seat, just past eval, do you have to wait for regular trading hours to close before account is funded? No, it's instantly activated within 15 minutes. You don't have to press anything. You don't have to do anything. It's instant. 'Tis instant, my friend. Now is that going to be the bottom? 65 and a quarter. Yeah, maybe the longs are coming now. Let's find out. Nope, doesn't look like it yet. I wonder if the Grand Cup thing will reset yet. Like, when does it update the scoreboard? I have to place 3 trades longer than 10 seconds is what it says. Still doesn't say. I can trade it on the micros, actually. Let me do that. Let me put on some trades on the micros. Oops, that's my lightning funded. Don't want to do that. Grand Cup, there we go. MNQ. All right, let's try one MNQ here. Let's see when the order went through here. 5:01 and 53 seconds. Is that right? No, that can't be right. That was 6:01 and 53 seconds. There we go. Because I need 3 trades longer than 10 seconds. Well, it looks like we found the double bottom. Nice. Ooh, it's dancing all right. We got a whole half mini on right now. I love when this thing dances. It's so fun. Your iPad just had a fit because you won't update it? What version of iOS are you on? And why won't you update it? What's the deal? Why are you not updating it? Can I interest you in freezing the price exactly at your entry? Of course you can, NQ. I would love that. Can I interest you in doing absolutely nothing here? Yes, you can. All right. There's our second trade in Grand Cup. Maybe that's going to count as more than one trade. Who the fuck knows how they count this shit? This is the funny thing, by the way. Most of you following Rip are going to blow your funded accounts trying to copy this style. He trades aggressively with barely any drawdown room while selling accounts and referral codes to the same audience copying him. That should tell you everything. Bunch of iDots. Hey, y'all are a bunch of iDots. Bunch of iDots. I fucking hate iDots, man. Is that Johnny Ives' version of Dippin' Dots? Is that the Apple version of Dippin' Dots? Is it iDots? Now introducing. Coming with iOS 27, it's iDots. Why did you ban them? Stop banning them. Fucking stop banning this guy. It's fucking hilarious. The dude wrote iDots. He couldn't even spell the word idiots. What's the over-under on that guy copying my trades today and blowing all of his accounts? What's the over-under? What's the over-under on that? 67 to 33? What's the over-under on that? You guys are iDots. I didn't blow my accounts. It's you guys. You guys are the iDots. Fuck. That's funny as shit. Bro self-exposed. Market doesn't, dude, it wants to bleed. It's still bleeding. I wonder if it's gonna count all of those as separate trades, by the way. I have no fucking clue. How did poker go? You're gonna have to watch the vlogs. Do I still like the vlogs? Yes. Fucking send it in. I mean, I should have just played my own levels, but that's in hindsight. I mean, this is the most orderly sell-off. You feel like you're gonna get one pop in reversal, but I mean, it was two pops and they're very fucking weak. Watch it on my YouTube channel when it's uploaded. No more gambling? What do you think we're doing in here? The data displayed in Rips at Market Clubhouse is real time. I mean, sometimes. It depends. It doesn't show in real time if you're an iDot, right? If you are an iDot, it does not show in real time. That's the only thing. You'll have to stay tuned to find out how poker went. I can't spoil the vlogs, so. Julius, is that you? Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, it would have been nice to be short at the level, because then we'd be taking a payout on a funded seat right now. That would have been brilliant. I wonder if the IDOT's got this short. What do you guys think? Yeah, it did go down to, what is that, 215.50? I mean, it's just continually bleeding, so. I mean, I'm guessing that we know that the news that came out ain't real. That would be the most likely scenario. Still hasn't updated my scoreboard for the Grand Cup either. Only updates every 4 hours. Does anybody know when the last update was? $8 a.m.? Wait, it updated at 8 a.m.? Interesting. Anybody having issues with Tradevate right now? It's fine for you? Okay. More sales for prop firms? What do you mean? Is there some upcoming sales that I don't know about? What are we talking about? Was it Ionel Gavril? Oh, what's his name? Ionel? What village are you from? What kind of name is Ionel? What country are you from? What village do you reside in? Trump may appear at the NBA Finals in New York. Really? Who's his team? Dude, I cannot generate more Tradevate accounts right now. I don't know what's going on here. It's fucking weird. Speaking clicks. I mean, with a name like Ionel. I don't know. Open is gonna be interesting. Yes, I agree. Hey, Rips, I didn't miss that big book map course, did I? Every single time somebody asks about it, I just add 2 more months to the release date, so thank you for that. It was going to come out this month. Now we're pushing it to July 27th, so it's all right. No, I don't mind. I mean, you just have to deal with everybody hitting you in chat. That's all. It was going to be released, like, actually today, so... But yeah, we just added 2 more months. Sorry. You imagine? Dude, I haven't even filmed a single thing for that yet. Right now, I'm doing World Series of Poker content. Julius, let me take care of you, duck with a hat. What kind of name is that, by the way? Duck with a hat. That's fucking hilarious. All right. You are good to go, Mr. Julius. Duck with a hat. There we go. Yeah, let's do a channel points gamble. Let's do it. I'm going to do a big one. Yeah, this is going to be a big one. Dude, for all the riches in the world today, all you had to do was short our level. Fuck. All you had to do. Son of a bitch. Yeah, you got it, man. I thought you were going to clip your daily content and narrate it. Huh? I don't know what that means. Sinu, what's your, are you already in there? Let me see. Sinu, I don't think so. What's your name on Instagram or Twitter, buddy? Cup is going good. Cup account is on my screen right there. Find out if this person that I'm fighting against has taken any trades. Comment about the course you're making? No, it's gonna be, no. Clipping content, no. No. No, it's gonna be like a whole comprehensive course. For free, by the way. Days like today, I kind of question why we're doing it. What's up, Rips Dog? Hope you had a good weekend. I lost one of my Lucid Funded this morning. Got 2 left with like $100 drawdown. Gonna take them slow as a bitch. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Add 2 more months. Not wrong. Not wrong. All right, CNU. I don't know how to get this to you if you're not gonna respond. Let's see. New Gen Wiley? Wiley? Yeah, you do respond. All right, so Grand Cup, pretty much done for now, at least. Let's do our funded account, our Lightning funded account. That's what I want to trade next. Oh yeah. Hey Ribs, it's been 3 months without internet. Now I'm back. Very happy to see you, man. From Iran. Nice. Happy to hear you're safe. Message on IG. I will never see that, my friend. That goes into a black hole of fury. I don't get DMs. I wish I could say that I do. All you have to do is type in your username and I'll get it. I'll find you. How do we get the higher levels? You can go into the Instagram group. Just go into the Instagram group. It was for the alpha feature. Can we pass in one day? In the zero accounts, you can. Do you play all events like Horse and Raz or just hold them? There is a PLO tournament tomorrow, but I'm doing a special stream tomorrow. I'm waiting for the final promo stuff to go through, but we're doing a very special stream tomorrow for Globex that I can't miss. Then after that, I'm probably going to go play PLO and then skip the Friday stream. So we'll see. We'll see. It just depends. It all depends, baby. Skip a Friday stream, come on. I mean, PLO is pot limit Omaha. I'm an MC already. What's your name, like your username in there? Because I already searched for that. I don't know why this is such a fucking thing, dude. Alright. Alright, so your name in there, by the way, is, just so you know, in the future, your name in there, the password is Chris Futures 88 #0. The password is. All right. You're all set. The password is nipple. Secured my first payout with Lucid, locked it up for the day. Thanks, Ribs. Let's go, Rattlesnake. Nipple Clam 69. I know that name very well. I do. I do indeed. All right, 2.5 minutes till Boomtown. Tradeovate will not generate my fucking accounts. All right, let's try to do our lightning funded accounts here. Bro, this is one of the funniest, craziest bleed outs I've seen in a very long time. Honestly insane. Crazy. Hey, Ribs, I tried to figure out your levels last night. I got the 29,836 if your level was right. Perfect. Good for you, man. Now that you figured it out, the best news about that Andre Bell is that now I don't have to give them out anymore. And in the future, when somebody asks for the new levels, I'll just say, ask Andre Bell. Now I don't need to post them in the Instagram group anymore. I'm happy you guys are all trying to reverse engineer them. That's that makes me very happy. So, thank you for that. I appreciate that. So that will be the final update to the levels in the Instagram group. Perfect. Put a note right here. If people want the new levels, Andre Bell has them. Perfect. And I'll just have them, if you want to drop your email, I can just, put your email address in the group so that anytime somebody wants new levels, they could just hit you up for them. No, I mean, there's no point. There's no point. Why even bother? There's no point in doing it anymore. What's the point? What would be the point? Why even bother? There's no point, I thought it was thoughtful. All right, 15 seconds. Here we go. We're tapping VWAP downstairs. Five seconds. Here we go. This is going to sell with no bounces. None whatsoever. There's a little bounce. A little tiny bounce here. Thank you, Ripsmod, for the message covering Bookmap. Appreciate that. Argus been over 30 seconds. Hello, Ripsmod. Good to see you. Thank you for the... All right, let me close the messaging software. Appreciate that. Thank you, Ripsmod. Not trading, of course. The market only just opened, but I appreciate that. Perfect impact, just impeccable timing. No, why would why would I miss Friday's stream? This is so much fun. I'm having a great time. Why would I miss Friday's stream? I've been called an idiot about 10 times today. Somebody told me they want to reverse engineer my levels. I've been told I suck dick at trading about 25 times today. But yeah, dude, I can't wait for Friday's stream. I want to be here on time. I can't wait. Why would I want to go enjoy myself and play poker? No. That sounds terrible. Why would I want to do that? Why would I want to be happy and have a good time? That's crazy. Why would I ever want to? No. Nah. No, this is way more fun. This is way more fun. $122, big line in the sand here, huh? $122. All we need to do is eke out $1,850 of profit. It's really not even that much. It's all we need to eke out here. But the market has other plans. Can we return to 165 or 170? It's trying. It's trying. All right, we're trying this short. Oh, I'm in MMQ. Fuck my life. Well, I guess it's a good thing. We'll stay in MMQ here for a minute, I guess. I'm not an MMQ trader, but I will be one this morning, I guess. Let's go. Yeah, baby. We got MNQ on. This is amazing. I love me some MNQ. So much fun. Forgot to switch over in whatever this platform is, TradeC. Be sick if we could reverse at 170. Put a lot of these contracts on. Boy, they let you do anything with micros. They can let you do anything in these micros. These are great. It's like I instantly have all the drawdown I need. Wow. This is fantastic. All right, 150s. Just give it up already. Jesus. S&Ps are getting low. Just give it up already. Come on. Get out of town. Oh my God, there's 105 bid at 130? Yeah, right, buddy. Yeah, right, pal. Can I interest you in a big old bounce before 122? Sure, why not? What do we have to do? We're just killing time. Are they really going to triple bottom this thing and then rip it and roar it? Isn't Roar like a good brand of glassware? Isn't that what Roar is? Pretty sure that's what it is. Used to be. Is it not around anymore? Can they actually break down this quadruple triple bottom? Oh my God, there's a 531 bid at our level. Are you joking? What are they doing with our levels? These market makers are unleashed. A 530 bid? Now watch, the US is gonna come out and be like, you know what Iran said was super accurate, by the way. That bleed was for nothing. We're just kidding. We're just messing around with that whole bleed. We're gonna send it all the way back up now. We were just messing around, guys. Can I interest you in a sideways market by chance? Sure. What do we have to do? We're just killing time. Are they going to get it? Are they going to get that 500 lot? How bad do you guys want to sell it? Because there's a 500 lot right there. How bad do you guys want to sell this thing? On the real tip. There it is. Oh, the answer is really fucking bad. If you didn't know, now you know, player. They said, how bad do you want to sell it? Really fucking bad, actually. Like, really fucking bad. Can we break hundreds now? Maybe we can't. Let's see. Back to 120s. Well, they got uncomfortable down there and then they kind of reversed it. So let's see if they can get back below these 120s now. That would be ideal for the trade I'm looking for, at least. Break down those 120s and go for more, baby. That's all we want to see. Just go for a little bit more here. Just give it up, guys. Give up those hundreds. Make everybody happy down here. Give up the hundreds already. Nobody cares about the hundreds. Just give them up. There you go. Beautiful. All right, sweet. So those are done. Somehow we managed that in the micros. Andre says, do you put limit stop losses on every trade or no? You should know that. You've already figured out how to do the levels, Andre. You should know that. I don't even know why you're asking any questions. You know everything inside and out, my friend. I can't believe you're even asking questions. You know the answer to everything. Is Trade-Evade bullshit right now? Dude, I can't even generate accounts in Trade-Evade. It's the weirdest thing. Yeah, dude, not a single account that I've purchased has gone through. Done for the day with your call. Thanks, man. Nice, Grom. Love it. Thanks to the levels, rips, and the guidance. I got you, baby. Bro, I mean, honestly, if they're just going to continue selling the shit out of this, you might as well just jump on board. I just wish we were short from our fucking level. That's all I wanted. Like, fuck. I could have been up so much money. Fuck. 800 lot cannot stop the bleeding. Trust me. You'd think it would, but it can't. You'll see. It can't. There's people that are unloading like, you know, if you imagine like the market right now is Carlos's mom's face and the sellers is men that are lining up for the bukkake session, you can understand the speed and the ferocity at which these market makers are unloading. It's a fact. Watch this. You think you've seen some people unload? So I passed my first evals last week. Why do they only allow you to take 6 payouts before you got to go back through the eval? Any service where they don't have this? Tell you what. You get to that 6 payout, I'll give you a nice little bonus of $100,000. Don't be focused on that end goal that will never be reached. I understand we all want to have the best foot forward and all that, but you know, it's not something you should be worried about. It's like, imagine like an account had like a $25 million cap. You're like, well, I don't really trade accounts with caps. 25 million, I mean, that's really just like It's capping my potential upside here. You know what I mean? Don't worry about it. Payout secured. Got to wait until the end of the day. Let's go. Which firm are you trading on? Let's watch them face fuck this 851 lot. Wink, wink. Somebody front ran it a little bit. And oh, they're still front running. That's so cute. And unload it right now. Just they're edging. Ah, there you go. Unloaded. Like I said, not a problem. Fucking easy. How did you know, Rips? Fucking 12 years, baby. 12 years of unloading on all sorts of targets. Ribs used to be the 800 that got unloaded onto. I don't know if that's true. You know, if we're being honest, I sexually identify as an attack helicopter. You know, ever since I was a boy, I used to dream of soaring over the oil fields, dropping hot, sticky loads on disgusting foreigners. People say to me that a person being a helicopter is impossible, and I'm fucking retarded, but I don't care. I'm beautiful. I'm having a plastic surgeon install rotary blades, 30mm cannons, and an AMG 114 Hellfire missiles on my body. From now on, I want you guys to call me Apache and respect my right to kill from above and kill needlessly. If you can't accept me as a heliphobe, then you need to check your vehicle privilege. Thank you for being so understanding. Was that 800 player a seller because the volume bubble went red and they got filled? Question, how could you sell if you're on the bid? If you are bidding, how could you be selling? That's a question I have for you. Hit me, daily goal and locked out. Let's go, baby. Yes, indeed. We are currently bouncing at Andre's level right now. Andre has the level of 30 spot 25. We are currently bouncing at Andre's level. Give it up for Andre Bell. Thank you, Andre, for those levels. I appreciate it. Don't tell anybody where I get them from. It'll be your and my secret forever. Done for the day. Day 8 and funded done. And over 2K in 3 firms. I have another 400 plus in Alpha Eval Rips. The Alpha Give is truly nuts, man. Thank you, brother. All right, cool. I love it. Nice work. Got to the stream late today doing a giveaway. You just missed it. I gave away full allocation to Lucid, Tradeify, Apex, Alpha. Hold on, the scroller is still catching up. And Funded Seat, all at once. And you just missed it. Just missed it. Sorry. I'm still waiting for Tradeivate to provision my accounts. It's really annoying. I want to be trading. What else do we have here? I have Grand Cup. Oh, my Funded Seat are locked. Yeah, that's it. I have my Grand Cup account, but do we really want to tango in the Grand Cup? We could, I suppose. You never know, right? I mean, how much more do I have to make at the Grand Cup to send it home to this guy's face? How much more should I try to make? You know what I mean? There's no way he went short from our level, right? The next update is going to be what, at noon? S&Ps are getting face fucked at 29. All right, I'm going to try this here. Let's go, baby. Keep on rolling. Nope. Do the good thing where you keep on rolling, though. Back to 30,000. Come on. Come on. It's so obvious. 30,000. Come on. S&Ps are still rolling too. How's the NASDAQ gonna do that? The S&Ps are fucking rolling. It's trying to follow the leeway of the S&Ps rolling, but apparently that's just nothing. Now they're bulling now. What a disgusto bounce that was. We bleed for the whole day until I press the button? Come on, what is that? The whole fucking day until I fucking press the button? You're shitting me, right? All right, we got to break below 30,000 here. Oh, just get through it. You guys have been selling all day. Why stop now? You know what I mean? We did bounce directly to the level from the level. So if we can break below that lower level, this will be a very nice little treat here, and we should have that continued downside pull. So looking for this to hold below 30,000 here. Looking for this continuation to the downside. Looking for this triple bottom break. Go for more. Stop being a bunch of vagines. There you go. Big old pussies here. Looking for 50s. Can you break 50s? Can you break 50s? I believe in you. You can break 50s. I believe. I believe. Don't let this fucker get $5 grand from me. No fucking shot, brother. Just fucking break. Why are we bouncing? What the fuck are we doing? Why are we even bothering with these bullshit bounces? You know you want to sell it. Drop those hot, sticky loads on the market. Let's go. Get it through those 50s. Come on. Let's go. Just fucking stop stopping when it fucking matters. Jesus criminy. Good fucking Lord. These pussies just love to fucking stop when it actually fucking matters. Good God. Just fucking go. Stop with the sideways bullshit. Go for more. Go for more. Through the 50s now. Yes, that's it. Drop the hot sticky loads on the oil fields. Yes. Yes. Stop down. All right, cool. Does that secure us a good spot in the Grand Cup now? What do you think? Does that secure us a good spot in the Grand Cup? There we go. Yeah, they can suck our dicks. Look at that. Hey, market, kindly do me a favor. Suck my boner. I love that we targeted the very first bounce too. I was trying to be less than patient. Up 2.2K in the cup. The other guy hasn't traded. I don't know if I should keep going. Well, did mama raise a bitch or not? Go for more. Stop being a pussy. Go for more, baby. Brooks, I really just love your comments. Sometimes, wow, trading is so boring without you. Dear God, laughing so hard with no care about my trades. All PNCs, of course. Nice. The goal is to just, you know, make everybody's day a little bit better than it was before they got here. Can we get gambles? Sure. Why not? Let's pay the overs, right? The overs win? Overs win by a long shot. Soupy, did the overs win or the unders win? Soupy, you let me know. Or actually, Rick or Soupy, overs or unders? Who won? Rick or Soupy, you can tell me. I'm only listening to you two. Soupy or Rick, is it overs or unders? Soupy or Rick? That's the only people I can listen to here. Rick is not even here anymore. He's just stopped coming. He's like, you guys are so mean. Rick, what is it? Overs or unders? Soupy says it's the overs. Okay, I'm paying the overs. Thank you, Soupy. I appreciate that. Good comm. Soupy said the overs. And paying out the overs. There we go. Overs have been paid. You guys are so funny. I paid the unders. Relax. God, you guys, my points! What am I gonna do? My points! My fucking points, dude! Been saving for months. I went all in. All right, let's do another gamble here. Let's do another gamble. You guys are so funny. What am I gonna do? How do I explain this to my wife? My points are gone. They're all gone, my fucking points. All right, let's do this. 1 minute. It's rapid fire time, ladies and gentlemen. Rapid fire time. Chat will never forget Rick. Nope. So here's what we have on the docket. Rick cost you your points. Bullman cost you 2 more months on the book map course. And Andre cost you the levels for the rest of your life. That's what we're working with chat today. Those are the chat pros, my friends. The chat pros. Hey, I'm sorry. Listen, sorries are for suckers. There's no need to apologize. Own it, baby. Own it. And you can thank Jeff for me longing the top of the market. The only reason I went long was because Jeff said it was a short. It certainly wasn't me. It wasn't Streamer Man. No, it wasn't Streamer Man taking a shitty trade. Jeff goes, no, I did not. Ribs, you said try to figure out the levels and I'm trying. Hold on. Wait. In all seriousness, no, I did not. When would I ever say try to find out the levels? Fuck all these guys. I'm kidding. I love these guys. I wouldn't shout them out if I didn't love them. Also, big shout out to Cucumber Trades for calling all of you guys iDots. iDots, dude. I love that. iDots. It's too funny. And Ribson kept trying to ban that person too. That's so mean. Like, why would you ban somebody who can't even spell the word idiots? It's hilarious. Rib said you'll never figure out the levels. It is facts. I mean, you might get a few here and there, but like it would be just by pure random coincidence. There's no way. There's no way that you could ever devise the formula that comes up with these levels. I'm just being serious. There's like, maybe there'd be something similar-ish, but like to actually have the exact formula that calculates these levels is just, I mean, it'd be like, I don't know. I don't know how you could possibly get to that, if I'm being honest with you. When is Ferrari releasing the Johnny Ive dot? I don't know. Dude, the fucking car is disgusting. That car is so bad. I did see some renders of people making it better on Instagram, which did make it better, but it's not like that much better. When you start with such a piece of shit like that, it's like, it's really not that hard to make it look better because your standards are so low. But like, if you just look at it subjectively as if that's the first render they came out with, when somebody like improved it, it's still like, boy, that's not a great looking car at all. Rips, your trading view levels work really good. Thank you, Forex. I mean, I really, like, I've been talking with Ferrari Phil about it in the DMs and everything, but I mean, I literally can't figure it out. Okay, we get it. Relax. If it makes you feel any better, I did not develop the formula alone. I did not come up with this formula alone that devises these levels. If it makes you feel better. I'm up $1,400 in the Grand Cup. I think I'm going to advance. I really want to see the fucking, I want to see what the scoreboard says, man. When are they going to update it? I want to fucking slam this guy's face in a pile of shit. This guy has no shot. Brother, 0 shot, unless he's watching the stream and copying all my trades. It's still at 0. Dr. Sarvar FX from Uzbekistan. He's fucking toast. I'm taking his ass out. Trading view is fucking up? Really? Mine isn't. Mine's great. Let's get some money today. Well, technically, we did already. Sort of. The one thing that matters is that I did make money in my funded account. I did blow, actually no, in my funded seat, those are funded. I hit my daily loss limit in my funded seat accounts. So I kept on trying along. I think it's likely that's what I did. And then in my evaluation accounts for Alpha Futures, I got cooked. So. You have to buy an account to get into the cup. No, it was just you had to sign in. Like that it was free, dude. Can I give you guys a little teaser of something that's going to be coming tomorrow? Is that cool? Can I give you guys just like a cute little teaser of something that I'm excited about? I fully blame you guys for this, by the way. I fully blame you guys for making this happen. But do you guys remember there was a stream? There was a stream that everybody was watching. And everybody's like, what is going on? Right? You guys remember? We were all like in his chat talking shit. Like, hey, bro, what the fuck? May 28th, that's tomorrow. Aha! It's gonna be live tomorrow on Kick. Doing that before I go play Pot Limit Omaha on Thursday. And then Friday, I'm racing cars and we're doing vlogs around that. And then I think I'm meeting up with Stock Market Woof. So we got a jam-packed schedule here. Thursday, teaching Rampage to trade, Rampage Jackson himself. So teaching Rampage Jackson to trade on Thursday, that's tomorrow. Playing the Pot Limit Omaha 5K, that's tomorrow. Friday, racing cars. Oh, wow. This is going to be quite the schedule. Let me see. When is day 2 for this Pot Limit Omaha? Fuck. I gotta check. I'm getting no sleep. Let me just put it that way. I'm not getting any goddamn sleep. Mr. C. Bessinger says, I took your advice and started recording myself and screen while trading. Definitely amazing. Up 449 on my eval. Hope to keep it going. Thanks for percent for the day. Nice. Let's go. All right, let me see here. Dude, there's 143 people left in this tournament. Wow. Incredible. Okay, let's see. Omaha 5K day 1. When is day 2 for this shit? Wait, there's a 10K? Ah? There's a 10K. Oh, that's high-low, though. What the fuck? Okay, wait. When is day 2? Day 2 is on May 29th? Fuck! When does it start? At noon. Fuck. Well, shit. I don't know. Because I want to race cars on Friday. So maybe we forego that. I do have a $10,000 buy-in on Sunday that I'm playing. That's a big fucking tournament. That's the GG Millions No Limit Hold'em High Roller event. I could start Flight B on Monday, though. It all depends, I guess. It all depends. There's also a $600 No Limit Hold'em Deep Stack, which I don't really... There's only one re-entry, though. Maybe. There's just not enough money in that tournament. So... You and Stock Market Wolf are so different. LO shit's gonna be wild. You give away everything for free. You charge like 10K for a course. Good for him, though. I mean, if there's value in it, people want to pay for it. What am I to say? Like I said, if somebody's charging for something, just, hey, can I see a broker statement? That's all you got to do. TJR is such a retard. He's trading in front of 20K viewers just to be getting comms from a good trader from India. What? Huh? Where do you race? At Speed Vegas, but they don't let you take your own car now. 3,500 on my 2 Apex PAs. Let's go, Doc Sparty. Let's go. Insane, baby. When is the thing with Stock Market Wolf? We're going to be filming on Friday, I believe. I just have to confirm it. Pretty sure. So Thursday tomorrow is going to be streaming with Rampage Jackson, and then Friday is going to be racing cars with Stock Market Wolf. So I just have to get it confirmed. A lot of filming, a lot of content going to be coming out. Not a lot of sleep. I will not be getting much sleep. That's for goddamn sure. World Series of Poker's on right now. Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index came out 13 versus 4. So hotter than expected. Am I doing a trading stream tomorrow? Yes, with Rampage Jackson. If you guys want to do a hype train, it's open, by the way. If you guys want to kick off a hype train to do some giveaways, but you don't have to. Here at this time, the Rampage Jackson one is going to be for the Globex nighttime stream. Where are we watching your vlogs? On YouTube. On YouTube, baby. The best place to watch on my YouTube channel, which currently has over 150,000 subs now, which is crazy. It's bonkers, baby. It's brazy. I never thought we'd see the day. Yo, Hockey Shane. Well, there we go. Hype train is active. What the fuck? Jesus. I don't know why it doubles it for some of you guys, but hey, we'll take it. We're at level 5, which means top 3 people will get Lucid Pro accounts. Top 3 people. There you go. Thank you, Hockey Shane, for the hype. If nobody jumps in with you, then we'll do, you'll get it all. But we're starting with Hockey Shane, so Hockey Shane is the benchmark here. In this long at 75.32. Good luck. Nice. That's a great long. Yeah, that's nice. Watch, we're going to rip back this whole sell-off now. After it's finally stopped bleeding, it's like, okay. After all of this fucking bleeding, they're finally going to go, all right, fine, we're done selling it. It's over. That's pretty funny. Probably because I'm old here. Did you see the VGK? Oh my God, Bear Goes Long. What the French toast? Jesus. Criminy. What in the world, baby? You're out of your mind. Jesus. Thank you. Bear Goes Long. If we get to level 10, we are doing lightning funded accounts. Bear Goes Long in with 10. Nice. Do you have ES on OHLC chart or only watch on Bookmap? I have it on everything. Here, I'll post a picture of my setup right now on my Instagram. I will post a picture. This is what my setup looks like, which you will also see in the vlogs that are going to be coming out very soon. You'll see my setup there too. How about that? What does gifting a sub mean? Someone gifted me a sub. Yes, you have a renewed house now, so you don't have to pay rent anymore. You can use all the emojis. It's and if we go sub only mode, you can still talk. You see? It's incredible. Out of curiosity, what's your internet speed? 2 up, 2 down. 2 gigs up, 2 gigs down. I'm a girl still e-learning these things. Well, it allows you to use emojis. That's pretty much it. And if we go sub only mode, you can still talk. 2 up, 2 down is lit. Yeah, I need it for uploading. Like uploading shit to my Google Drive and all that, you know? I mean, isn't Google Fiber like 5 up, 5 down now? I feel like it's kind of slow what I have compared to what else is out there. Ribs, when can I come join you in a poker game? I'm playing this whole summer in the World Series of Poker. Come on down for any of those events. I'm on 5 up, 5 down. There you go. Who's your ISP, Tenonian? Dude, 8G up and down. Yeah, I mean, it's just kind of lame that it's only 2 and 2. How are we doing today? I'm up in the Grand Cup and I'm up in Lightning funded. We did hit daily loss limit on our funded seat funded accounts, and we did breach our Alpha Futures evals. So that's my lay of the land right now. So a little up, a little down. Oh, finally it generated some accounts for me. Jesus criminy. It's about time. I can actually trade on Alpha Futures now. Yay. See if I can get 3 of these bad doggers halfway home. That would be the goal. 3 accounts halfway home. 1, 2, 3. Bang. There we go. Okay. What are we thinking? Up or down, chat? Trading Apex Wealth charts for me. Okay, sure. We have 2 minutes and 19 seconds left in the hype train. I mean, this feels like it's about to roll back down, right? That's what I'm feeling here. It's what it feels like. We didn't hit 122 yet, which is kind of annoying, but it feels like it wants to roll. If we break below those 50s, it's certainly gonna roll. You know? Thinking about using the order flow from your chat and trade on Tradeovate. Thanks, Ripsy. There you go. All right, I'm gonna try this short. We are copying. Everything's working. I feel like this can work. I need us to send it through these 50s. And Tradeovate seems to be working just fine, by the way. 50s are that line in the sand. That's where the point of control is right now, too. Hey, there we go. That's the one I was looking for. Big old poop skis. Yes, indeed. Give me the poop skis like that. No, don't reverse it now. Don't be a fucking bitch. Nobody likes when you do that. Everybody knows that you're a bitch when you do that. That was the poop skis I wanted. I should have had more on. Fuck. Okay. Adding for a little bit more. Adding for more. Just hold down. Just get down below 30,000 where you're supposed to go. There's 700 contracts down there. Yeah, right, guys. Yeah, fucking right. Yeah, fucking right. 700 is gonna hold us back. Not on my watch. Watch this. Look at that. They face fucked him. Just grr, grr, brr. Grr, grr, grr. A little bit more, just fucking go for it. I need 29,999,999,999,999. Just fucking let me get it. 999. There's Germans watching right now. Why is he saying no? Why is he saying no?
Another one.
Oh, thank you so much. Appreciate that, Dono. Go, you little pussy! Just fucking God, I hate when they do this. It's so fucking tilting. It's beyond fucking moon tilt. It's beyond moon tilt when they bring it that fucking low right to our target and then they're like, I think you wanted that, didn't you? Oh, did you want that a little bit lower, I bet? Oh, yes, well, sorry about that. We can't do that for you. Fuck you. We're going for more. I'm going for more. No, wait, fuck. That's not what I wanted. All right, let's try this. Give me the 10s, give me the 10s, give me the 10s, give me the 10s. Ugh. Give me the fucking 10s. Give me the 10s. Yes, just fucking right there. Give me the fucking 10s, yeah. Bang, got him. DN says, you wanted 6 ticks, and okay, we are pumping 60 points, market maker. You wanted 6 ticks? How about 60 points, your face? Fuck you. All right, we're halfway past it, Alpha Futures. Go us! Yeah! Go us! Is there anything meaningful to learn from seeing so many large players on the tape today, since most days there aren't usually such large limits? I mean, it's people that are covering their big dick shorts. You saw how many people kept on shorting as we were pushing up, so they're just big dick damage shorts coming in. Oh wait, what happened with the hype train? That was it, huh? Okay. So Lucid Pro account's going to Bear Goes Long, Romo, and Hockey Shane. Okay, fair enough. We're in cooldown now, so don't bother with it. Look at that, we hit our original target anyway, so it doesn't even matter. Okay, Hockey Shane, I got you, baby. Boom, 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 boom. Lucid Pro, Lucid Pro. All right, here comes some Lucid Pros. I mean, Bear Goes Long, don't tell anybody about this because you guys kind of have like, you guys get it. I think you guys are the only ones who actually understand what's going on. It's pretty funny to see the, you know what I mean? Like, carry the one. Wait, this is real? Don't tell anybody though. You're gonna ruin it for yourselves if you tell anybody. They're like, if I carry the one, I'm getting for like, it's like 95% off. People don't figure this out. It's 95% off. Okay. I don't know. It feels weird. This feels like I'm stealing. This feels like I'm stealing right now. Is this legal? Is this legal? Let's see. Who's the third? Romo Trades. What's your name on Instagram or Twitter, please? Romo. Brah. Romo. Okay, that's easy enough. Romo Trades on X. I got you. I just want the Grand Cup thing to update. I really hope that this fucking Uzbekistani dude is getting smoked by your boy Ripsy. Dude, get these fucking songs out of here that are bullshit. Okay. I'm so tired of these little fucking... There we go. That's better. Romo was after the hype train? Wait, were they actually? Wait, hold on. Guys, was Romo after the hype train or no? Tell me, was Romo after the hype train or no? Checking the replay. You challenged on X for Tradeify, now delivered. I know. I told him. I said condolences to his family. I fucked him up. I'm gonna give it to him. I think it'd be weird to take it away from him. You know what I mean? I'm gonna give it to him. I'm gonna come. All right, Romo. I mean, Romo did the math. I like, what a fucking genius. You know what I mean? Like, dude's a fucking genius. Can't help it if he's a brainiac and you guys aren't. I can't help that, you know? Dude's a fucking brainiac over here. He figured out the math. There we go. Enjoy, brother. That's Crypto Lifer theme music? Dude, this song sucks. What is going... Like, I want fucking... That's better. Okay. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Ah! Market, no! Ah! Ah! Not really sure what that's about. 10 minutes until we get Fed services activity. Is Alpha Trader still not working for anyone else? I got sent a message that they haven't got back. I think it's still having an issue. I would just be on Tradebait for the time being. Good old software launches. Gotta love them. Pay the gamblers, please. Is it up skis or down skis? Up skis or down skis? I would just trade on Tradebait if you want to use Alpha Futures. That's what I would do. Alpha Futures is not sketchy. Alpha Trader is having issues. That's all there is to it. Don't dare to say anything? Okay, I'll check, I guess. 10:06. 10:06, it was 72. Looks like it's the overs, buddy. 10:06, 72 is the overs. Yeah, it's the overs. Overs win. There you go. Can do a rapid fire one. There you go. Trying to lose money, they need an easier way. Yeah, it's called flipping contracts. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. It's very easy. Who's doing that? I mean, you gotta do it faster if it's taking you longer. Or do 5 contracts at a time. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Do it with 10 contracts. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. How long did it take? I have no idea why they launched Alpha Trader without stress. I mean, it's just because they got overloaded, dude. Whereas you're my first PA accounts. I'm an options guy here because you're too entertaining not to be. I'm up 350 on these. Should I be stopping here because of the 50%? Because yes, yeah, 350 is plenty, dude. The profit goal on the 50Ks is what, $2,000 or something like that? You got to trade them for 5 days, 6 days, 7 days. I don't even know. Trading Alpha features via Quantire works great. It allows me to map my CQG connection to DXP. Nice. Yeah, if I could stomach Quantire, I'd be using it, but I fucking hate Quantire. That shit's for the birds, baby. That shit's for the birds. Yeah. What do I trade now? What do I have left to trade? I think that's it. I mean, I could trade the Grand Cup account, but I'm sure I'm waxing this Uzbekistani dude. He has no shot, brother. He has no fucking shot. He's probably, dude, I bet you this guy's not even trading, right? You should do the math yourself for the consistency rule instead of asking another grown man, you weirdo. What's with the anger, MLK? What the fuck? White House denies the MOU report. Well, that makes a lot of sense now. Yeah, there you go. That's why we fucking bled. Like I said, I was like, Barron probably knows that they're gonna deny this shit. Trolls are out today. It definitely makes me want to come back and stream on a Friday. I'm like, oh boy, count me in. That's all I want to do. Come back and hang out with these gremlins. I'm new to your stream. I have a small question I wanted to copy and paste 3 times in a row. Why does your PNL say 1452 and 6048 on the other? Because I'm hacking. I'm using wall hacks. They're 2 separate prop firms. Up top is Alpha Futures. Down below is the Tradeify Grand Cup. Want to see the numbers change again? Ready? Watch this magic trick. And you don't even have to copy paste the question 3 times. Look at this. Boop. Oh, I changed it again. Look at that. 1912. Ready? And then 1452. And then and then watch this. I'll hide the one up top. Watch this. Watch this move. What you got? Watch this. Watch this. You buy a house, you don't earn it? Well, it depends. If you're a squatter, you can argue that you could earn a house. If you go and you squat in somebody's neighborhood and you just say, hey, look, I'm living here now, you could argue that you have earned that house by squatting. It doesn't make you any less of a piece of shit, I suppose. You know what I mean? You see what I'm saying? I just want to fucking have my funded seat accounts back. That's all I want. Why do they wait so long to deny the report? Why couldn't they just tell us that news like fucking 45 minutes ago so I could just be like, oh, that's why we're gonna short it now. You know what I mean? Wouldn't that have been lovely? Wouldn't that have been stupendous? Thanks for streaming. Have a great rest of the day. See you later. All right, Sonny. We'll see you later. Unders already? Oh my goodness. Fuck it. Let's do it live. Unders win. How about that? Okay, let's do another one. I'm gonna make this one a little bit harder for you. That's what she said. I'm gonna make this one slightly harder There you go. Yep, I got it. You got it. No problem. And don't thank me for the levels. Thank Andre Bell for the levels. That's where they come from. Do not be thanking me for the levels. They are Andre Bell's levels. They have nothing to do with them. Finally lost my free house and got to subscribe. You can't add any months. If you're gifted a house, appreciate whoever hooked me up with my first day here. Though nice. Are you sure that you can't add more time? Are you sure? Bro, explain what you're talking about. Okay, so give me a moment here. Just give me a moment. Let me have it too. Okay, thank you, Ripsmon. Appreciate you. So Dylon said, explain what you're talking about. So, you know, if we're talking about the levels, we're talking about contango. Contango in the options market is not a standalone phenomenon that's isolated to the options itself. It's rather an emergent condition arising from the interaction between the underlying futures, term structure, forward financing mechanics, implied volatility, surface dynamics, carry cost, dividend expectations, and dealer hedging behavior across expirations. In its purest expression, contango derives or describes a forward curve where deferred contracts trade at progressively higher prices relative to nearer maturities. And that's typically due to a cost carry. And you can look at components like interest rates, storage, insurance, financing, or anticipated scarcity premiums embedded further along the curve. However, once options are layered onto the structure, the mathematics become materially more complex because option pricing inherits not only the absolute level of the forward curve, but also the curvature of the slope and time differentiated implied volatility distribution. So it just depends, really. If you're looking at like the Black-Scholes model for futures options, the options fair value is contingent upon the futures price at a specific maturity after after maturity rather than looking at the spot price alone, meaning a steep contango structure mechanically alters delta exposure for gamma decay and vega. What I'm trying to say is that it creates situations where longer dated calls may appreciate despite stagnant spot prices simply because the deferred future itself is priced materially higher than the front month. Which data feed do you use? I want to move away from Rhythmic. Well, I hate to break it to you, but I use Rhythmic on Bookmap. I came here for the bomb jokes, not all that. All right, fine. Jeez. You guys are funny. Kevin Hazel, where are you trying to move away from Rhythmic? Which platform are you trading on that you want to get away from Rhythmic? You know? Was thinking of CQG, use a top. Oh, yeah. I mean, CQG won't give you full depth though. That's the problem. If you use CQG, you won't get full depth. So Rhythmic will give you full depth. CQG will not. That's the only issue. Ribs, that was all easy to comprehend, but after applying a mean reversing Ornstein-Unbeck process, what the fuck does that all mean? Oh, God. I just told ChatGPT to give me the most confusing thing about contango possible, the most convoluted paragraphs about contango possible. That's what I told ChatGPT, and I just started reading it to you guys. Cat's out of the bag. Will IB provide full depth? I don't use interactive brokers, and I don't think I've traded on them really ever. You see longs playing here? I need $50 to pass this account. Well, wait for this consolidation to break up or down and then take it from there. And just trade micros. If you only need 50 bucks to pass, then you got plenty of time. Wait, what's this conversation you guys are having here? Bro, my back hurts so bad I'm gonna shoot it, for fuck's sake. I was up all night, my gut is killing me. Like I strained my oblique or something? Jesus. It might be your appendix. Dude, I thought I was bad because I didn't get any sleep last night. You guys are talking about your appendices bursting and all that. You can use DXV through IB and they provide full depth, I think. Interesting, good to know. Whatever it is killing me. Have you thought to go to a doctor? High Volume says, Rips, thank you for the knowledge. My first time in a 150K account. I'm up 1,800. There you go. Nice work, brother. Or a really big poop. Yeah, either one. Did you get across the line there? Who was it? Who was it that wanted that? They were trying to pass. How many ticks am I trading? I mean, I don't really look at it like that. I base everything around market structure. I don't really go for a fixed risk on any of my trades. How's the first day yesterday? I saw you're on the leaderboards. You'll have to watch the poker vlogs to find out. Look at that, another dump. White House said the MOU report was a complete and total fabrication. Why can't we just have the insider information and just trade it from our fucking real account up here? Like, why can't they just tell us up here that it was like, why do they get to have that? I could have made so much money. Dude, on my real account, I could have made, oh my fucking God. I'm not gonna pay attention to that. Oh, that's depressing. I don't want to look at that. That's so fucking depressing. Ribs, these financial juice squats are fast as fuck. Really? Is your alpha trade working correctly? The trading panel will not show the chart. I'm not using Alpha Trader. I use Tradeovate with Alpha Futures. Dude, I just want a gift like that one time. Well, I guess I did get that one time with the Trump tweet. Fuck. I was never going to trade that on my cash account anyway, so fuck. It's just so annoying. That just ruined my whole fucking day. It's $1 million, dude. Fuck. All I had to do was just like, dude, can you imagine if I just fucking, for some reason, I was like, I'm gonna trust my level and I'm gonna short this thing. I don't know if I would have held it. I probably would have fucking covered like a bitch at like up 250K or something. Yeah, you can use wealth charts. What else can you use? You can use, there's a lot of different options. You can use, that's so depressing. Fuck. I don't even want to think about that. You can use Deep Chart, Quantower, Alpha Trader, which is kind of down, wealth charts, or Tradeovate. That's what you can use. I'm so fucking mad right now. If it is your appendix, you don't have a whole lot of time to get to a hospital. If it pops, I would go ASAP. If I were you, fuck trading, can't trade if you're dead. That's true. It's not me though. I'm not the one with the appendix bursting. How do I trade my alpha on another platform? You just reach out to support and say, trade me, switch me over to Tradeovate. That's it. Dude, legitimately, it's a fucking $1 million, dude. Fucking A, man. You guys see this, right? I mean, you're never gonna nail it perfectly, but that's a fucking $1 million, bro. It hurts. Just know, the great thing about trading is like, just know, like if you had clicked the right buttons today and you had an account that was big enough to, you could have made $1 million in that short amount of time. In less than 2 hours, really, right? 3 hours. 3.5 hours. Well, no, 2.5 hours. You could have made $1 million in 2.5 hours. Only in trading, baby. Isn't that crazy? With you there, mate, lost 8 accounts on the bullshit news. Yeah, I mean, I said it even out loud. I was like, I bet you they're gonna fucking, I guarantee they're gonna walk this back. They all knew. That's the thing that sucks, is they all knew, and I didn't see it on the flows. They were doing TWAP selling. I gotta learn for that next time. They were doing fucking TWAP selling. Very orderly selling so as not to disrupt the boat. That was some insane selling. And that's why they're recovering so hard on that shit, because they're like, oh, well, then the White House is going to release 20 minutes from now, so we can just post up our orders. Dude, the thing that's crazy is, like, where were their 800 contract fucking bids? Like, here? Like, even if they're, like, their average was here? God, dude. Let's just say they only got 150 points. And there was a dude with 875. Dude, 2.6 million. God fucking damn it, dude. Insider trading is the coolest. TWAP, time weighted average price. It's an algorithm to sell or buy. You could do either one. It's so just ruins my day. Just ruins my whole fucking day. I didn't trade anything on my Percy at all. Like, I haven't traded my Percy at all today. I didn't trade it yesterday. Probably last week. Last week was the time I traded. It's so fucking depressing seeing that, though, because it's like, man, so much money. Even if you caught like a little bit, I'd be happy with like 200 grand on the day. Ribs, today I closed above my consistency rules. What should I do? Just let it be or what? You can flip contracts. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. I know, the levels are insane, right? They work so great. It still doesn't change how tilted I am by the fact that I didn't short 100 contracts from our exact level. Bro, if I would have just shorted from our fucking level, 76 quarters. Let's see, even like this would be 300 grand, dude. Whatever, it's fine. I don't need a new car. It's not even about that. It's just about fucking high score. I just love money. How would you see that in the order flow? It's just, you know, the orderly selling. It's, I should have made sense of it a lot sooner. It's weird though, like with props, I'm kind of like, I don't care. If I had real money on the line, I'm pulling that trade a lot sooner. And I'm like, okay, what are they really fucking doing here? I guess that's the takeaway from today's trades. Also kind of tired, not making excuses, but I'm just trying to think, like, because now that I see it, like in hindsight, I'm like, dude, that could have been a time where I could have stepped up and really fucking made some money. I didn't realize that we dropped that much. 500 fucking points, dude. Here's the thing though, when NASDAQ is up this high, dropping 500 points is not that high of a percentage. That's the great thing about the NASDAQ being this high of price. The fact that they're still giving 20 bucks a point. You know what I mean? What made you look at 700 contracts and not your exit position? Wait, what? What are you talking about? You look at 700 contracts. Oh, you're saying when we're in that sell, because the selling was so violent at that point. There's no way that's gonna ever hold up the market. There's no fucking shot. NQ is way too overvalued. You need this thing back a few thousand points. Nah, it's fine. Off topic. You told me to use a Go XLR, the big one? The fuck are you talking about? Huh? For what? No. I've never said that at all. What are you talking about? Bro, you were fucking high on drugs, my friend. You call it Bloomberg Germinal. Off topic, you told me you use a Go XLR, the big one? I've never, like, dude, that's a weird. Hey, off topic, Lomanco, but you told me your wife loves to suck my dick. Off topic, but you, no. Listen, you got it wrong. I'm asking you. It's a question. I'm not making assumptions. I'm not making assumptions here. But correct me if I'm wrong. Your wife told me she wanted to suck my cock furiously, right? Oh, no. I'm not making assumptions. I'm asking. It's a question, brother. It's a question. I'm not saying matter-of-factly, but you told me that one day that your wife completely wanted to blow my load all over her face, right? No. You're confusing. It's a question. Chill out, bro. It's a question. I'm not making assumptions here. You told me. No, I didn't. I never told you shit. What the fuck are we talking about? You're fucking hilarious, bro. It's a question. I'm not making assumptions, even though I just made assumptions in the sentence that I'm asking a question with. Insane, I haven't even opened my book map today. Just used Rip's book map. Made 500 for the day. Let's go, Pydre. Let's go. It's Bloomberg Germinal. Apache is wild this morning. Hot, sticky loads dropping over all of the oil fields. You asked me before, you said Go XLR. Which audio interface you use? Yeah, I use the Go XLR. Yeah, you're right. Good comms, buddy. Good comms. You're right. Was there a lot of fish at your first table? You'll see it in the vlog. You'll see it in the vlog. Give me a second. 1 sec. Gotta upload something to my blog team. All right, we're back. Just uploading some shit. Wait, no, that didn't work. Hold on. 1 sec. How the fuck do you do this? How the fuck are you supposed to transfer these fucking files? Transfer files from S25 Ultra. Hold on 1 second. All right, is it the overs or unders? Overs? Okay. I'm paying the overs. I'm not even gonna look. There you go. Overs have been paid. Bing bong. There we go. What the fuck is going on here? Come on. Fucking piece of shit. It's so annoying. Do you guys think that I'm gonna beat that Uzbekistani guy? Are we gonna find out in I guess another hour still? Fuck. That's so annoying. Super fucking annoying. There we go. Finally. How do you really feel about him, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.? By the way, what shade of pasty white are you with that name? I have to see a selfie. My P&L for the comp is on the screen right now. Well, no, it's 1,400. Dude, can you send me a selfie? I have to see how pasty white you are. Like, you have to be the whitest white kid I've ever seen in my life. Like, you have to be so stark white. You must look like a headlamp. Napoleon Dynamite's brother, that's very white. About 9 minutes. Bullshit, 9 minutes. No. This thing's going way faster than 9 minutes. You say wrong? Bullshit, brother. Send me a selfie. I gotta see this. The people want to see you, brother. I'm telling you. People want to see you. Why would I be white repping MLK? Gee, I don't know. Maybe because it's the internet. Going out on a limb here. Maybe because it's the internet and that's what children do. I'm just going to go out on a limb here. Perhaps because we're on the internet, my friend. Just going to throw that one out here. What did I miss? Was he talking shit like usual? Yeah, MLK's, he's a classic. He's one of our regulars, dude. Look, he's got a silver house. He's got 2-month subs. Never seen anyone misrepresent themselves on the internet. No way. Me neither. Yeah, everybody's super honest on the internet. On Tradeify TV, they were saying that they thought it would take about 2,500 in advance. So I'd say you got a really good start. There's no way that this motherfucker is gonna beat me, bro. There's just no shot. Like, unless he's like trading his fucking heart out, which God bless him, maybe he is. We'll find out shortly. Hopefully he just went long and then he got fucked, you know? Or he's watching the stream. Who the fuck knows? Hopefully the internet is down in his village. Let's be honest. Hopefully the internet is down in his village and we're gonna be fine. You know? That's all I can hope for. What if he's using Starlink? There's no way. That's all I'm hoping. Like, dude, if there's a god out there, he would strike him down. Played some Street Fighter last night. New one is pretty fun. Which one? Street Fighter 6? Is there a newer one? Are they already working on 7? Street Fighter 6 is goated. Luke is my guy. Luke is my fucking guy. I used to be pretty decent back when I was playing, when I lived in California. My friend is really fucking good. He's like, he was a master. He was Ken. I think he was master rank, whatever the highest was. He should have played at Evo. Isn't the Evo in Las Vegas, by the way? Hopefully he has dial-up internet. And they're busy scam calling some work. That'd be nice. Just saw Alpha Trader platform is open. There we go. Hey. Hey. How about that? No copy trader yet. Interesting. Interesting. I use Tradeify. We ended up, I mean, it's all together. We did perfectly fine today. The only real downside of today is that we hit daily loss limit in our funded accounts. That's it. But honestly, like, hey, if we blow them, we just do 3 more. It's not that big of a deal. There's no activation fee. Whatever, you know? Alpha Trader is open, but so is a blender. Doesn't mean you should stick your body parts in it. Depends. Just depends. It all just depends. I feel like the market is just going to chop sideways now. Hopefully we can hope that our opponent, that is Dr. Sarvar FX. Bro, if you have FX in your name, I already assume that you're not the greatest trader, you know? Like, especially if you're on Tradeify. Like, I get it if you're on like a Forex one, but like Dr. Sarvar, like, dude, who is this person? Like, they don't even have a fucking... Here's the thing is, like, I looked for this person on Instagram. I looked for them on Twitter. And I think that they are, yeah, they don't exist on Twitter. I'm pretty sure that they don't have enough minutes in their plan to have an Instagram or an X account, right? It would put them over their minutes plan. They only have nights and weekends. And so they don't even have a social media presence. They're using all of their data plan right now to trade in the Grand Cup, and they're getting waxed right now. Boost Mobile, I don't know. And I don't think they call it that in his village. I think they call it something else. The FX people that also sell courses part of the Dante's level of hell. Yes, agreed. Maybe they are an appointment setter. Maybe they've reached out to me before. Maybe they are an appointment setter. Let's see, Instagram, Dr. Sarvar. Nope, doesn't exist. What about just a regular old Dr. Sarvar without the FX part? Let me see. Nope, that one doesn't exist either. I mean, it's just such a weird name too. Let's see. Wait, is this him? I mean, this might be him. No, that's somebody else. I thought that was him. This is somebody named Dr. Sarvar, but I don't know if this is him. I don't know if that's him, but there's a Dr. Sarvar in there. Oh, wait, it's probably him. He's got his phone in his hand and everything. Rips, you will not fuck on me. You will not fuck on me. Quick question, by the way. Quick question. What camera is he looking at? He got the memo. Well, he's kind of confused. She got the memo. He got the memo. He got the memo. He got the memo. He's laser targeted. He did not get the memo, I don't think. You know? Where is he looking? By the way, you can't see it because my P&L is hiding it, but homeboy decided that on this day, he would have the air conditioning. He did decide on the air conditioning fit. He said there's nothing better than the air at your toes. That's what he said. Anyway, I wonder if that is Dr. Sarvar. We'll never know, I guess. We'll never know. Ribs, what do you think about the Tradeify Cup? I was really shocked when I saw that people were making fucking 20,000 in a single day with one contract. Well, that's because silver was open. They don't have silver in the heads-up matches, which is why Dr. Sarvar is going to get his ass kicked today. That's what's going on. Lido, where is your wife, by the way? Where's Katie? We haven't seen Katie. We got to put out an APB for Katie. I haven't seen Katie in here in a hot minute. What did you do to her? What did you do to Katie, Lido? Haven't seen the wife in here. Changed her name and everything. What didn't he do? That's a good point. There are some people using bots for real? Not just an emoji? You're not even going to tell us what you did with her? He scooped your fire. That's not right. Wait, there she is. Katie, this is like the first sentence you've said all day, unless I've missed some chats here. Hold on, let me see. Katie, that is literally the first time you've chatted all day. This is the first time you've chatted in 6 days. Where the hell have you been? What is Lido doing to you? Blink twice if he's holding you hostage. What is actually happening? You're fed up with Lido. Listen, there's a long list of people who are fed up with Lido. He can't get it up? My God. We have different reasons for being fed up with Lido. Lido is the kind of guy who wins contests. You guys need to go to marriage counseling. Let's be honest. You guys need that in your lives right now. Ribs, be married? I am married. Happily. Very happily. Geez, Katie doesn't say anything for 6 days and now we can't stop them from talking. He needs more payouts for counseling. Well, you're going to be waiting a while for that. Lido, are you actually eligible for a payout? You don't have to lie to kick it. Are you actually eligible? Wow. Hey, look at that. That's my guy right there. Tradeify Select or Lucid Flex. I mean, it's like Thin Mints or Mint Cookies, I guess. It's always the same, you know? It's whichever one has the better discount, I suppose. They're both the same. Lido's cheating with Carlos's mom. I mean, but who isn't? Is it really cheating when she gives it up to everybody? And it kind of is our duty as gentlemen to show her a good time. I don't think so. Can't really blame us, you know what I mean? Whoa, whoa, she can join us. Easy, buddy. Yeah, I think I might be wrapping it up for the day. I will be back for Globex tonight. if only for a short stream. If I don't see you for Globex, I will be back for tomorrow. But I really want to see what I'm ranked up against this Dr. Sarvar guy, you know? Yes, I will be back with the Go XLR. I got 6 of them, buddy. That's the only thing I use. I use 6 Go XLRs. Actually, no, I use Stop XLR. But yeah, I'm not going to be playing any poker today that I'm aware of, I don't think. Yeah, but I am going to be... I'm pretty sure I will be able to hit Globex tonight. I'm pretty sure, unless something comes up. I'll keep you guys posted, but do plan on tomorrow Globex stream being with Rampage Jackson on his channel or my channel, or both. But I appreciate you guys. I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow if I don't see you tonight. I'll see you guys. Be good. Goodbye. See you. Goodbye. See you.